Hi, this is Spencer Colgan and welcome to my Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper show. And what we have done is, because all of you have been so good to us and responded on our videos and enhanced our capacity to provide more videos, we decided to give you better videos in higher definition. And so we at Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper have made an additional accommodation for you by getting a GoPro. And so now we will be recording all of our videos with this high-tech GoPro, and we will show you a time-lapsed video of many of our installations that will include the beginning to the end. And then we will play them for you. What will normally take several hours, we'll show it to you in 3 to 5 minutes or less. So thanks for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Please click on like, please subscribe, and please hit the bell so that you get all of our subsequent videos to our new channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, quality is not expensive, it's priceless.